White's goal here is to try to capture black here in the corner by playing through a ko. Black's ice space is actually pretty big. If white tries to reduce it, which is something you should always calculate first, it's pretty obvious that black will be able to live. Even if white plays here, right? Even if it's something like this, black will still be able to live. And if white comes in, not a good idea, right? Because this way, black can still live. So that's why we need to start thinking about potential kos, right? So this might be a good move. If black relents, then this way black will die. So of course, black will push here. If white plays here and black plays here, this will be a ko, right? But the problem with number 3 is that black can stand down here. And once again, we have a living shape for black. So number 3 shouldn't just connect back. So instead, white has this move at the 2-1 point. It's a really sharp move. If black is not careful, white can connect back, and black will be dead. And that's why, and if black connects here, white can still connect back. Now black is still dead. So black must play here and start this ko. Does white have a local ko threat? The answer is no, because if white connects here, what happens is that black won't have to play through the ko. It can capture white this way. So white does not have a local ko threat. If it captures back, does black have a local ko threat? Also no, if black connects here, then white will just connect on the outside. If black plays something like this, then this will be a dead shape for black, right? This will be a cross 5 dead shape for black. So neither side has a local ko threat, and black gets to capture first. So this is the correct sequence we're looking for. So overall, hopefully not too difficult because white really doesn't have a whole lot of choices, but finding number 3 might take some time. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.